Hello guys, it's me Rapi Samsil, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna give you the best camera that I purchased in 2024. So I like to share this guys. But again guys, before anything else, if you're into my channel, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start. Uh, First, here is my camera that I bought in 2024. So the first one is this small camera from DJI. Yeah, this is a DJI Action 2. So I got this to Palaboy OFW. Shout out to Palaboy. He sold me for very expensive guys, really. The DJI Action 2. Again, I have two reasons why I bought this camera guys, this DJI Action 2. The first reason is for POV or point of view. So I have a magnetic clamp, so I can put it on chest, I can put it in the cup. So it's very good in POV view cameras or POV cameras. So this is the best POV camera that you can get in a cheaper price. And also, second reason why I got this camera is for my FPV drone or the avatar drone. So this is perfect for avatar drones. Just buy an adapter and you can put in avatar drone and voila, perfect. You have a second camera that with smooth video and perfect 4K video on this DJI Action 2. So this is the two reason why I got this DJI Action 2. So shout out sa nagbenta, Palaboy OFW. And next camera that I got is the actually the story of this Pentax K10D. Yeah, guys. The story of this camera, this is for our customer. So when I asked him regarding the camera, and I want to buy it from him, instead he gave me this camera for free. Yes, guys. Again, he gave me this camera for free. So instead, I buy for him. He gave me for free with the body, with the charger, and even the battery grip. So, uh, first reason why I got this, or I like this camera is again, it's CCD camera, 10 megapixel DSLR. So it's old style camera and perfect. The colors, I love the colors and yeah. So yeah, and I think it's perfect condition. And again, guys, it's free, and you have a K mount, so you can buy a cheaper lens from online with the K mount. So again, this is the second camera that I got. It's the Pentax K10D. So yan. Next, guys, is third camera that I bought is not on here, not in the table, but we are currently using now this one, the Samsung Galaxy NX. So this is the third camera that I got. I'm gonna show you. So we're using this camera for our B cam. So yes, guys, this is the B cam, and this is the Samsung Galaxy NX. So it's amazing camera. I got this for a very cheap price, and I got this for in the thrift market. So the reason I bought this camera, guys, is the unique and the style. You have 4.8 inch sensor, APS-C, 20 megapixel, and it's full HD. Again, the screen is 4.8, so it's look like that you have a mobile with the camera together. So even it's 2013 model, but the quality of photos and videos, it's amazing, guys. So most of my videos now from the past months since I got this camera, it's from the B cam is for this camera from the Samsung Galaxy NX. And also, most of my thumbnails from my YouTube is from the Samsung Galaxy NX. So I like the color and it's amazing, guys, even for video and photo, both photo and video. So I love this camera. So I put, because I don't have a native NX mount lens, I got an adapter and put Canon FD lens. So this is the third camera that I got, the Samsung Galaxy NX. And for the fourth camera and the last camera I got in 2024 is the LUMIX GX85. Yeah, so this is the LUMIX GX85. So this camera, guys, it's micro four thirds camera, amazing for street photography, and even you can use for B-roll, B-cam, and it's 4K camera. So again, it's easy to bring when if you want to take a photos for street while you're walking again street. So this is the best camera even for travel. This is the best camera, compact and MFT, micro four thirds. So a second reason that I bought this camera is the lenses you can buy cheaper option in online. It's MFT, so most of the MFT now become cheaper price. So, yan. That is the 4 camera that I got in 2024. So, yeah, I just want you to share only my cameras that I got and the reason why I got this camera. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, I just want you to share my cameras to you. And yeah, maybe one day you can find this camera in the thrift market, on online market. So, yeah. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for all cameras that we have, Canon, Sony, Fuji, Nikon, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.